welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is setting up my makeup room. So if you want to see what I do, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight in, today we're setting up my makeup room. I am filming the intro outro on a different day so you can see it, sneak peek behind me already. Now this isn't the finished product, there is some more, moving things around, playing with things. So if you've got any suggestions, please let me know down in the comments, but I'm sure I will show you any updates that I do in my vlogs, etc. But it is now all set up and I can now film in my new house. So I'm super excited about that. So let's jump into setting it up. So starting on the left hand side, I have my mirror here, which is good for when I do my plus size hauls. It's also full length, so when I get dressed, I can come out here and have a look. At the moment, I've got some boxes here. These boxes are actually just full of bubble wrap and stuff, and these ones are empty, and I'm actually keeping them for when I do giveaways, etc. So yeah, those are used then, so then I can recycling everything. So this bottom shelf here, these two little houses here, I actually got it from a friend. You pop candles in them. So yeah, that's just down there. This is for an upcoming video. Underneath is stuff for a giveaway that I haven't sorted through yet. Then I've just got my boots here because I don't have anywhere to put them in my robe. As I said, these boxes are empty. I'll use them for giveaways. But for now, they just look cute because they're colourful. Moving up to this shelf here, so I have a lot of my skincare items all in here. Most of this stuff is like brand new that I haven't even opened yet. Then the top shelf here as well, I've got lots of skincare. So that was from my recent LMS haul. I brought those 3 in the back, and then all of the other stuff was free. So yeah, I've popped that up there because it looks really cute. It makes it look like a store. Then I've got all my perfumes up here. This is my favorite like sort of body scent. It's not really a perfume because it doesn't last for ages. So when it's on sale, I normally buy a few of them. So those are both brand new. I've already got one open in my actual bathroom. Then I just have this really cute rose gold lips. And yes, you can see that I am not filming this the same day. So yeah, this is actually a money box. But I actually picked it up from like an op shop. So I think I paid like $2 or $3 for it or something, but it was just super cute. And yeah, it used to be in my background when I was 2 houses ago, when I first started my YouTube channel. I had it in my background then. Moving over to this middle one here. So this is majority of my eyeshadow palettes. Now I have done major declutters on my eyeshadow palettes. You can go back and look at them through my videos. I always normally show them. So, and then moving down, this is my center of attention cosmetics little shelf. So this is a lot of her products. These lashes in here aren't hers, but they just look super cute behind those lip oils. I've got my neon pigments, 2 of the loose highlighters. The rest of the highlighters I haven't actually used yet, so they're in my new box. Then I've got her paint palettes. So under here is her water activated paints. That's the one that I use mostly. But as you can see, it's not very pretty looking anymore because I have used and abused it. So we put and that just happened. We put the Pretty Dead FX palette on top. And then I actually had kept this Creaming About It, the oil-based palette. I had kept that in its packaging. So yeah, we've popped that there. If I can get this back up now. Everything like totally fell over. What you say? Okay. Then in the back here, I have her powder puffs. I haven't actually opened them and used them yet because I had some Nakia Joy Cosmetics ones and also some W7, I think it is, branded. So I've been using them at the moment. I've got a stock up of my favorite shade of the eye primer and her setting spray. I actually got that in PR. So when I run out, I've got it. Now this mirror is, unfortunately, it's not looking the best now because some of it has like peeled off. But this was one of her very first like merch mirrors and I absolutely love it. So I've kept that there. Then in the back here, I've just got the box for her Get Me Off oil. I actually just opened that, so that is coming soon. Probably in the next speed reviews that I film, I'll let you guys know what I think of that. And then moving down here, this is like my lashes. So this is all my lashes in my collection. So yeah, I've got loads of them and we've just stacked them, however, sort of made it look like a shop. These palettes here are like my favorite palettes. They're the ones that I reach for the most. So that's why they are down there and not up here. These ones I reach for, but probably once every few months, like if I'm doing like a specific look. But these ones here I can reach for all the time. So that's why they're there. Then moving down to the next one. Oh, hi, Oliver. You trying to be in the video? Say hi, everyone. I'm cute too. Yeah. He's a good boy. So yeah, down on the bottom shelf here, I have some mirrors as well. And then I just have this cute candle. You can't really see this shelf, so I didn't really do too much. Then under there, I actually have, that's my box full of wigs. I need to get some like hangers or stands or something to put them on. I don't have many. I think I've got like 3 or 4 wigs. But yeah, I need to get something to display them. At the moment, they're just packaged up in there so they don't get destroyed. Moving on to the next one. So down the bottom here is just another empty box. Same with those green boxes. They're all empty for giveaways as well. Just put some other random things there as well. Not really anything important. Moving up, I have some like branded products. So these are like from Sephora. This is like a gold in a pen, a little cute Chloe notebook, and then I have some sponges that look really cute there as well that are brand new. Moving up here, I have the Light Therapy mask box, and I've got my Nitas Nails over here because they look super cute, and then just some like decor pieces. And then top shelf here is just some more like decor pieces. Now I've actually added in one more thing. My friend made this. So that bottle was from the mother-in-law's 60th birthday. So she put some lights in it for me, and then those roses in that vase, that same friend actually gave them to me when we first moved into here to celebrate. So yeah, I saved them and dried them out. And then just in that cute little vase, I've got my pure Lottie sign, which I had 2 houses ago. And then this cup, it's actually a cup, it's meant to have a straw in it. I keep some spare sponges in there as well, and I actually got that in a giveaway, and yes, she personalized it with my name, and on the other side it says that. So yeah, I thought that was cute because it was a bit, you know, like me. Okay, then moving over here, you can't really see everything in my background, mainly just those like 3 shelves there. But this here, we actually had this stand at our wedding. But these 3 boxes are actually full of stuff for giveaways, so keep an eye out because I am going to be doing some giveaways very, very soon. I also have this little stand here. This is actually with some more giveaway makeup and stuff that I actually did for a friend of mine, so that is there for her. But back over here, I don't have my craft stuff open at the moment, so that's where I'm just storing the paints that I use to do the little doggy sign in my home improvement vlog. So yeah, those are the paints that I used. But these 6 boxes here is what I stored all my makeup in. Makeup, skincare, hair care, you know, all of that kind of stuff. I stored all of that at the old house in the robe in those underneath our clothes. So half of it is now empty, like there's not as much products in each box anymore now. You can actually open them and fit stuff in. That is because half of the stuff is now out on display. But everything that I kept in there is all stuff that's like brand new to try, or stuff that didn't like look cute displaying. So eventually I would like to get through them and be able to remove them. I don't want to have them in here. Or at least do something different with them, like set it up for like videos or something. But at this point, I need to get through all the new stuff so then I can like put it out. So yeah, I'm going to be doing lots of videos trying like stuff that I've brought then I haven't used. So like this box here, you will notice half of that stuff I had just put on my Instagram of what should I try next. So yeah, this is all stuff that's new to me that I'm still yet to try. Then we have some cute puppies over there. So over here, I do have some other like filming equipment that I need to organize as well. So that will eventually go, but it can't be seen in my background. So it's there at the moment. These drawers are actually empty. Actually, sorry, the first one has some filming stuff in it as well. But the others are empty. Then I have all of my like jewelry over here on display. On my desk here, this is actually normally pushed around, but I was using it yesterday and rejigged everything. Put that back there. That's how I normally have it. So this is my desk set up. So I've got my ring light with my camera and my microphone in my ring light. This is my mirror and light that I use for my makeup. All my brushes, those are all clean ones there. And then over in the back there is all my dirty ones to be washed. I keep my clean sponges or beauty blenders in there. I've got my eyeliners and then everything for my brows, plus another mirror from COA. Then I've got all of my sort of everyday makeup is like up here, except for I say the glitter liners. I don't use that every day. And then all my glass sacks from COA. I need to like get a lip station done. But otherwise, this is all my other makeup that I sort of use. So these are more palettes that I will use like at least once a week. Some other, you know, small items that's unpacked that I've sort of organized. Like these are like loose shadows and things like that, and liquid eyeshadows. Then in here I sort of have like the blushes and the bronzers and highlighters, and then down here is sort of like the base products, so concealers, foundations, etc. is all in there. So that's what that is. Then on this side here, I have a bin handy so that I can put any wet wipes, etc. in there. This is actually water, and this here as well. I use this when I do my creative looks, and I do water activated paints so that I've got it close by. This is full of like hair accessories, like hair ties and things like that. Definitely want to work on how this looks. So yeah, that is sort of just got junk in it as well at the moment, so I'm not going to show you that either. But that is what my makeup room is looking like right now. Obviously it's not perfect, it's still a work in progress, so I'll probably do some more updates in like vlogs and stuff, or rearrange it maybe once I've unpacked some other rooms. But yeah, that is what it's looking like. Also, I forgot to film this a little bit here, but this is a little drawer, and I just put my hair clips that I use to tie my hair up, or put my hair out of my face, sorry. This is how I get all of my stuff from SD card onto my phone to edit, because yes, I edit on my phone. My favorite palette, my daily palette, the highlighter palette. This is another loose highlighter. I actually used this yesterday in a look. And then this is just a brush swatch. So I'll just keep things there that like I reach for on the daily. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite part is of my new makeup room, and if you've got any suggestions, definitely leave them down below in the comments. As I said, it's a work in progress still, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!